Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got some animal donut decoration ideas for you today. Brilliant. To start with, get your ready-made donuts. First we get one and cut it in half. Put half on a grate above a tray and pour on some vanilla frosting. The tray will catch all the drippings. Then get a full donut and do the same. Then with one more donut, we're pouring on vanilla frosting with the addition of cocoa powder. Once those are set, we can start to decorate. We're adding some dried coconut to either side of our half donut and some rainbow-coloured sprinkles in between. Now for our chocolate donut, let's add Oreo halves for the ears, some fondant eyes, Oreo for the nose, and some melted chocolate for the features. Ooh, what a cute teddy bear. Now for our vanilla frosted donut. We're going to add some gum paste for the ears and the eyes, or you can use licorice, piping on some melted chocolate for the nose and mouth, and some rainbow sprinkles for decoration. So you have a bear, a panda, and a rainbow. Amazing! Super simple, and the kids are gonna love them.